Hello and welcome to another Pursuing Travel with the Millers, where we're heading over to a city that's not quite talked a lot about in the Netherlands. So the city of Delft, it's a city that's been around for a long time, around 1246. Not a huge city, 100,000 people, and it's had quite a few famous things occur there. It's also, where William of Orange was assassinated. But one of the things that it's most known for is its Delft Blue pottery. So, made in the 1600s to emulate Chinese white porcelain. And it, at its heyday, had over 30 factories. Now there's only one left, the Royal Delft. And it's a wonderful form of artwork that today, is synonymous with the Dutch. So we got the chance to visit Royal Delft, and they have an excellent museum showcasing all that they do, and they do more than just the Royal Delft. It's not really, it's Delftware, it's not actually porcelain, but they do all kinds of tile work and other things like that. But you can, in the museum, view what they've done throughout the years, decorative. You can actually see, some of the Chinese inspirations that they've had, as you can see. They also have many amazing pieces like the Night Watch, which is a very, very famous Dutch piece. And somebody has purchased it for a undisclosed amount, but they've allowed it to be there. And the majority of Delft pottery, the official Royal Delft, and I'm not meaning copies and other companies, is hand painted. Not all of it. There are prints available, but these were hand painted. So that's why the price can be a little bit high, because there's a lot of painstaking process done in this. And we actually got to see that, which we'll show a little later. But you can just see how, there's huge pieces, intricate done pieces, plates, like you can see here of the Dutch family and the royal Dutch kind of emblems and things like that. But you also have other more creative kind of things, like this Mexican version of Delft. And how can you tell if it is a print versus a actual done Delft piece? You'll see the emblem that you see here on it. So moving on to the factory. So the factory, we went out there and saw people, molding the glassware that they have there. And got to witness that and just see everything that goes on with the manufacturing. And you can see it's, very handmade, all the pieces, which once again, that's painstaking work and, true artistry, including some we got to see some of the hand painting that goes on, that you can just imagine how long that takes to get there. And then once they bake it, it gets that blue, dark blue kind of color. So really, really wonderful and an amazing art and kind of piece. So, and in there that you can see the different stages of what it would look like at the end. And once again, you can see that emblem that means, it's from Delft. It has which artists actually hand painted it and things like that. So we at the gift shop bought a few pieces. So it's an amazing place to visit and a unique part of Dutch heritage and culture. So once again, thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel if you like travel, culture, destinations, and the like. And contact us at ET Family Travel to book your next adventure.